Hello friends, today we will discuss the fprintf function and the fscanf function. The fprintf function. The fprintf function is like printf function except the first argument, which is a file pointer, that specifies the file to be written. It is used to write mixed type in the file. Syntax: fprintf in open and close parentheses file asterisk fp comma format underscore string, that is included in the double quotation mark, then comma variable list, and at the end semicolon. So if we have to write the mixed type of the data, that is character as well as integer data, then we use the fprintf function. The fscanf function. The fscanf function is like scanf function except the first argument, which is a file pointer that specifies the file to be read. The scanf function is used to read mixed type form of the file. That means that file contains integer data, character data, etc. So whenever if we have to write the mixed data as well as to read the mixed data, we use the fprintf function and fscanf function. Syntax for the fscan function is fscanf in open and close parentheses file asterisk fp comma then a format strings comma variable list, and at the end semicolon. Let us discuss an example program using fprintf function. Now in this example program, first statement of the main function is file asterisk fp semicolon. It declares a file pointer fp, and next statement declares an integer variable role. Character name in square bracket 25 at the end semicolon. It declares a character array. Its name is name, and that can contain 25 characters. So float marks semicolon. This statement declares float variable marks, and next statement char ch semicolon declares the character variable ch. fp equals f open in open and close parentheses file.txt comma w. So file.txt is opened in write mode. Now next statement, conditional statement, if fp equal to null. If file pointer is assigned a value of null, it means that then if this condition is true, then printf can't open file or file doesn't exist. This message is printed on the output screen, and program exits with the help of exit 0 statement. So program comes out of the main function. If this statement is false, then control goes to the next statement, and next statement is the do while statement. In do while statement, in do part, printf enter roll number. This prints this message enter roll number on the output screen. whereby user enters the roll number that is taken in and is stored with the integer variable roll by the scanf function. Then again next is printf statement prints the enter name colon on the output screen and when user enters the name that is taken in and is stored with the array name. Again printf statement enters marks colon on the output screen and scanf function takes that marks and is stored with the float variable marks. Then printf function prints the enter data in a file pointed by fp. Percentage d, percentages. What is the roll number that is printed at the place of percentage d? Name is printed at the place of percentage s, and marks is printed at the place of the percentage f. So in this way, mixed data are printed in a file pointed by the file pointer fp. The next statement printf. Do you want to add another data? Yes oblique no. And whenever this message is displayed on the output screen, if user enters the y, ch equal to get che, open and close parenthesis, semicolon. That character is taken in by the getCH function and is stored with the variable ch. Then in the condition of the do while statement, if ch equal to y or ch equal to y, whether character is small y or uppercase y, if this condition is true, then again roll number, name and marks are entered, and then again there is a message for the user whether he or she wants to add the another data or not. So if suppose enter data is n is entered, then that n is taken in by the getCH function and is stored with the variable ch. Then in the condition parts of the do while loop, condition becomes false, and when condition becomes false, control comes out of the do while loop. And next statement after do while loop is the printf data retained successfully, and then file is closed with the fclose fp included in the open and close parenthesis and the end semicolon by this statement, that is by the fclose function. A file is closed and this file is pointed by the file pointer fp, and here this bracket is end of the main function. So when this program is run, we get the output like this. When this program is run, we get the output like this one. Enter roll number, suppose 1 is entered, enter name Kumar, enter mark 78.5. And after entering the roll number, name and marks, do you want to add another data? If yes, then another roll number, name and marks are entered. And after entering that, if again do you want to add another data, this is displayed, and if user enter the n, then condition in the do while statement becomes false and controls come out of do while statement, and data retained successfully is written by the printf function that follows the do while loops, and in this way we get the output like this one. Now let us discuss another example program. And in this example program, we will see the use of fscanf function. So a program like this is written. Let us try to understand this program. So first statement in the main function declares a file pointer fp, and second statement declares a character variable ch. Then a file is opened using the fp equal to fopen file.txt comma r. So this file is opened in the read mode. Once file is opened in the read mode, if this file is present, exists, then AP is assigned a value. If a file doesn't exist or it is not open, then FP equal to null. This file pointer is not assigned any value. So if it is null, then a message is printed using the printf function. Can't open file or file doesn't exist, and control comes out of the main function. If this condition is false, then control goes to the next statement, printf data in file. This message is printed on the output screen, and while fscanf fp comma %d %h and %f comma ampersand roll number name and ampersand marks not equal to end of the file. If this data, while reading the data, roll number, name and roll marks of the marks, if this is not equal to end of the file, then this data is taken in from the file and printed by the printf function slash, that is %d, %t, %s, %t. So here slash n, backward slash n is used to print the data in the new line, and at the place of the %d, value of the roll number is printed, and then slash t, shift the cursor right, type position right, and then name is printed, and again using the slash t, tab is shifted or cursor is shifted right tab position where marks is printed. So in this way, mixed data with the roll number, name and marks gets printed. If data ends, then this condition becomes false and control comes out of the while loop, and out of the while loop f close fp semicolon. This statement closes the file pointed by the file pointer fp, and at that close brace of the main function that indicates the end of the main function. When this program is run, we get the output like this one: data in file 1 Kumar 78.53 to Sumit 89.63. Now let us discuss a third example, and in this third example we will see use of the fprintf as well as fscanf function. And this program is for write C program to read a word from the keyword and write it into a data.txt file. After closing the file, again open it and get a word from the file and display on the screen. So in this one we have to read a word from the keyword, store that word into data.txt file, close this file, again reopen this file and read the data and display that on the output screen. So a program can be written like this one. So in this program, here together with the hash include standard input output.h header file, we are including the stdlib.h because we are using some function that is present in this header file. So first statement of the main function declare the file pointer fp, and second statement declare the string and string 1 character arrays that can store 80 characters. So fp equal to fopen data.txt comma w, and after closing parenthesis at the end semicolon. So this statement tries to open the file in the write mode. Name of the file is data.txt. Now using the if statement, if fp equal to null, if while trying to open this file, if file is existing and it is open, so and information corresponding to that file is stored by the fp. So if this fp is not having the null value, then this statement if statement is exited. If fp is having a null value, then message printf can't open the file is printed on the output screen, and control comes out of the main function. If file exists and it is open, this condition becomes false, and then control comes out of the if statement, and out of the if statement printf enter string to be written in the file. So this message is printed on the output screen, whereby user enters the data in the form of string or list of the characters, we can say, that is taken in by fscan function and is stored with the variable str. So std in the standard input device, that is the keyboard. Then printf using this statement %str, what is the data string taken in, that is stored in the file pointed by the file pointer fp. So first data is taken in by the scanf function from the keyboard, and then it is printed in the file pointed by the file pointer fp. Then file is closed by the fclose fp statement. After closing the file, next statement again tries to open the file, and this time it is opened in the read mode. If file equal to null, if this condition is not true, then fscanf function fp %s comma str1, data is read and is stored with the array str1. Fprintf std out comma percentage f str. So what is the read data from the file? Using the fprintf function, it is written on the output screen because here std out. So standard output device is the monitor screen. So that is printed on the output screen, and after that one return 0. Return 0 is the end of the main function. So this return the value 0 to the operating system, informing operating system that program is run properly. So when this program is run, we get the output like this one. Enter a string to be written in file. So user enters the hello string, and after entering file is closed, file is reopened, and it is again read and displayed on the output screen. So in this way, in this lecture we discussed fprintf function and fscanf function that are capable to printing the mixed data on the output screen and read the mixed data from the keyboard. So with this one we will end now this class. Till next class, bye and have a nice day.